everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a back to school haul / giveaway, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm sorry if back to school videos make you depressed, but we can't hide the fact that most people do go back to school in August. Thankfully I'm not going back to school yet. I'm taking a gap year, maybe more, we don't know yet. This girl hasn't got her life sorted out. But I thought it would be cool to give some back to school supplies away to you. Now this isn't like a big crazy one, but it's some cute stuff that I found and that I'd personally want if I were going back to school. So yeah, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell button to be notified, and yeah, let's hop right on into the video. I will talk about the giveaway rules in the end and also put them in the description box. Sorry if you can hear squeaking, I've got my windows like a tiny bit open and it's windy. So when I went thrift shopping, I did vlog some, so insert the footage here. Hi everyone, yes I look quite gross, but I just had a shower and it's just so hot in Sweden. Like, it's been over 30 degrees for like a month, I feel like. No, but we have a super heat wave here. But because back to school is rolling around the corner, it's peeking through, it's like double horns and claws. Yeah, no. I'm sorry to make you guys sad, but the reality of it is that school is coming back. So I'm heading to the shops right now, and it's a Sunday and it's like 8 o'clock, so the best school supplies shops won't be open, but I'm gonna see if I find anything at my local supermarket. So I'm gonna bring you along with me. Let's go. Honestly, no, not really my style. Oh my god, what would you guys say if I got you one of these? No thank you. Wow, okay, seems like they're just stocking up with things. Oh my god, these were the shit when I was in school. This honestly looks like a spider. Okay, so this was a big fail. I'm gonna have to go somewhere else another day. I'm so annoyed. Wow, this was such a fail, but to be honest, I didn't know how this was gonna go. So I'm back in my car now, and that was a massive fail. So yeah, I'm not gonna show what I got now, because obviously I will show you that in a haul video when I get home. But I will continue this vlog, or this video. I will continue the hunt for school supplies another day, so I will see you in a second, but it will probably be realistically like a few days. Bye. Better luck next time, Charlie. It's a Tuesday, it's the 31st of July. Oh, I don't want July to be over. I'm gonna resume my hunt for back to school supplies. So I'm on my way to town now. I'm gonna meet up with my friends, gonna do a little bit of shopping, and my outfit. So we're in this shop called Orleans, and I'm finding stuff to get you. I found these really nice pens and I thought they'd be good for taking notes, so I'm just choosing colours. I'm not going to show you. RGB. Hi everyone, so it's after I filmed this actual video, but I actually found a notebook that I thought I'd throw into this giveaway, and this one is really handy. So this one is just like a 5-subject notebook, so you've got different colours, so you can have different subjects on the different colours, which is really easy and great, because then you'll be able to find whatever you're looking for quick, and you can take notes for several different subjects in this. And at the end it's also got checkered paper, so you can use that for maths as well, and then the other ones are just lined. So I just thought this was a really nice little compact book. Now back to the actual video. So now it's time to show you what I actually got for you guys. So let's start off with this thing, and this was the first thing I found, and it's a little binder. Like, it's just a little folder which has got brown paper on, which I think is really nice, and then it's got like the world map in gold, which I thought was super cute, and hopefully you all will too. So I don't know, you can just keep important papers in here. I know a lot of people do their schoolwork on laptops like I did, so that's why I only got one binder, but yeah. Next up, I got you this little notebook, which I thought was so cute. It's just pink and like burgundy coloured, I just thought it was adorable. And it's not too small, not too big, so it's like the perfect fit in your little bag or backpack. And it's just got lined paper, lined sides, so you can take notes in this or write or plan or do whatever you want. So yeah, I didn't get a planner just because they'd be in Swedish and this giveaway is international, so if you don't live in Sweden, it would be kind of useless to have a Swedish calendar. By the way, I did a back to school makeup tutorial on this look, but it's probably not up yet, but when it is, I'll link it down below. So next up, I got you these, which were really helpful when I was in school and I was doing maths. I just put this on pages where I needed to look back and I thought it was kind of hard, or I put these in books where I had like quotes and stuff. I don't know, I just think they're very good. They're like sticky things in different colours. I just like it. I don't know, it's good for taking notes. Next up, I got you this really cute pen. It's in like a baby pink colour, and I thought that would match perfectly with this book because they're like the same colour. I don't know, it just looks really aesthetic and cute. And then I got 2 different coloured pens just to take notes easier, because I know I love taking notes with pens that were in different colours, and these are like really fine tips, so they're really easy to write neatly with. So I got you a dark green one and a red one. I just like these colours the most. Looking back, I probably should have got you some more of these, but I was like, this giveaway is mostly pens, so I didn't. Next up, my friend recommended this pen. It's a really cool pen because it's like a pen, but you can use like, it's got a rubber, but it's still a ink pen, which is really cool, so I got you that. I'd love to have one of these for myself actually. I will probably get one when I start studying because I don't need one now. Next, I got you 2 highlighters, an orange and a pink one. I'm kind of staying with the pink theme throughout this whole giveaway. I hope you like pink. Highlighters are always really helpful to have to highlight important things when you're taking notes, and yeah. If you want like A study tips, let me know, because I have a few that I've collected over the years. Oh my god, I sound like an old lady.
I sound like an A-star student.
Jokes. I'm just kidding. So sadly this has came to an end, and there's one more thing I have to show you. I feel like this giveaway was too small. I'm really sorry, but I just don't know what else I'd give. I got this Muji pencil case, and well, you can use it for whatever you want, but I'd think it was really cool to have as a pencil case, because then you can just quickly put your hand in, grab whatever you want, because you'll be able to see what's in there, and I just think that's really handy. So yeah, I thought that was really cute. My card just ran out of memory, but yeah, that was everything for the giveaway. I'm sorry it wasn't that much. I would wish I could have given you more things, but I just didn't really find anything that was that amazing that I wanted to give you. But I hope you liked it anyway. So to enter this giveaway, you'll have to be following me on my Instagram, Twitter and YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, obviously. And it's international, and just leave a comment. It can be any comment, preferably a back to school video idea, or just a video idea, anything really, or your favorite video of mine, something like that will help me improve my content. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I love you all. This giveaway will be running for a week, so I'll put the end date on the screen here right now. So yeah, I love you all so much. Here are my socials. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and good luck in the new school year. I will see you in my next video. Bye.